morning, YouTube fam, and welcome back to my challenge. In case you guys are wondering why are my cheeks so puffy and my face so swollen and I cannot open my eyes, because I have just woken up 5 minutes ago and I decided to film a day in my life. Recently, all my days are revolved around being healthy again, mentally, physically. Like you guys know, I am on a weight loss challenge after gaining 20 kgs, and this is the third week. So I decided, why not vlog this day? Why not show you guys what I do after waking up, what I eat, what I drink, when I work out, everything. So, yeah, come spend a day with me. So, the first thing that I do as soon as I wake up in the morning is drink water. I have a bottle near my bedside. So, at least finish half of this. Then I go and I start with my morning drinks. When you hydrate yourself first thing in the morning, you guys, your skin, your hair, your gut system, you have no idea. Like, this is magic. But as soon as you wake up, okay, now I feel a little alive. So if in case earlier you all did not understand anything, as soon as I woke up, I don't blame you, because I did not know what I was talking about. But now that I have my drinks and I have my coffee, I feel a little awake. So everyone who follows me knows me by now and knows that I'm having chia seeds in warm water and lemon. This is the first drink I have after my water. This really detoxifies my body. It is great for your skin. Also, a small tip regarding chia seeds: if anyone faces bloating with them, तो पहले ही अपने चिया सीड्स को गर्म पानी में भिगा लो. That's how I drink it, because I also used to face the same problem, but I did not give up on chia seeds because it's like a superfood. So make sure that you so make so make sure that you soak it in warm water. My short time. Also, did anyone try the black coffee recipe that I shared on my channel? I really want you guys to know, because I think it's really yummy and it's a healthier version of your regular coffee. So I think it's great. When the first sip hits, now I'm just gonna go and prep for my breakfast. I want to eat something light because I know I'm gonna work out. Usually, I don't like anything before my workout. I love working out in a state of fasting, but because I want to film, so I think I need to take like a 1:32 class. So let me just do like a very light breakfast. So it's 11:30 and time for breakfast. Now, if you guys are wondering why is she doing a entire video and why is it centered around a girl who's trying to lose weight, because when I suddenly gained a lot of weight, I realized like it is so important to mentally be happy as well, to physically be fit. Trust me, I was so lost. Like, if I would bend up to pick something, I would just get up and get a cramp. I couldn't do the smallest of chores, and my mom could do it, my dad could do it, and I was feeling so bad. So I realized that it is so important to be healthy physically. It is so important to be healthy mentally. Like, it just took a toll on me. And when I decided to film my journey, I had no idea that so many people were going through the same thing. So I say it is extremely important to take care of your health and put it as a priority. And another thing I've realized is, please don't starve yourself. This is a mistake that I did earlier. So now I believe in portion control and it works magically. So if you want to have anything, have it in a restricted quantity. In such a way, you're going to eat, you're going to feel happy, and at the same time, you're going to follow your nutrition and your routine. This is heaven. So meetha. Now it's time to head to the gym. This is my gym outfit. Earlier on, I used to have like a better wardrobe. I had like better gym outfits that would look also good. But now I'm not too confident with my body. Otherwise, I'm very conscious, if I'm wearing something that I'm not comfortable in. So I decided that I'm just gonna go with something very comfortable and make sure that I make the most out of my workout. Like when I'm working out, I do not want to be like, oh my god, my top kahan ja raha hai? What about my leggings? So I realized it's just important to dress in a way that you're comfortable and make sure that you work out like a dog in the gym. I climbed 2 floors. There's no stamina. You guys, it is 2 o'clock. I've taken a shower. I am so late. I have a meeting and I have to have my lunch. So I thought I'll quickly get ready and talk to you guys a little bit about my workouts. Now, if you guys have just started to work out or if you all have gained weight, trust me, take it slow. I'm sure most of you know by now that I gained 20 kgs. So I had completely stopped working out. Like for 1 year, I literally don't remember working out, or even if I did work out, it was on and off. Matlab, महीने में एक बार कभी चले गई, nothing more than that. So my body was not used to working out. And in March, I decided to join the gym again. I made a mistake of thinking my body is still the same. I'm going to work out like I used to. So instead of the beginner program, I went in the advanced one. Like 2 days, I did the beginner thing and I was like, हाँ ये क्या ये तो मैंने पहले किया ही हुआ है. And then I went and I did the advanced course. And I remember there was an exercise where I had to pull the carriage and I couldn't do it. Okay, like my chest was paining. I still somehow was doing it. My form was wrong, but I was like, उसमें क्या हुआ, करना ही है तो करूँगी. And you guys, I came back home. I remember at 1:30, 1:45, I was literally lying down on the floor. It was paining so much, my chest, and that to the left side. I got so scared. I was like, I don't know what is happening. My mom got scared. And then my brother came. He's like, dude, it's basically maybe you have a muscle pull or something. But I have never felt that amount of pain in my life. It was so bad. So instead of asking the doctor, I just took like 2-3 dolos. I remember that day I couldn't sleep at night. My mom kept telling me, chal chal, let's go to the doctor. And I was like, nahi, kal tak theek ho jayega. And dude, it became worse. I went to my doctor. She told me just have a painkiller. She gave me a painkiller and she's like, you have to go and see your physiotherapist. I went to my physio and she told me that you have severely pulled your chest and now you have a cervical rib. The pain is connected from your neck to your chest. The entire month of March, I was depressed. I couldn't walk. Literally, I couldn't get out of my bed. The pain was so much. I couldn't toss at night. I couldn't turn my side. And I started overeating again because I was so sad. Like, I just started working out, and what happened to me? So, moral of the story, take it easy, one step at a time. Don't rush into any workouts. And now it's time. I love this perfume. And now it's time for lunch. Let's eat something healthy. I mean, you all have seen my entire morning routine and you have seen my entire day. I wake up, I have diet food, then I rush to the gym, then I come back. So I don't want to waste it all by going out and eating. So I'm going to make sure that I eat at home and go so that I can do my work as well and then maybe just have a coffee outside. Mm. One thing you guys need to know about me is that I love driving. Like, it is so therapeutic for me. My car and I, it's like a love story. Whenever I'm sad, I just take my car, I listen to music. When I'm happy, I drive. It's just like that time I get to spend with myself, which I don't get otherwise. And बहुत धूप आ रही है मुंह में. But yeah, let's see if we can get a glimpse of Juhu Beach as well. I'm finally back home and it is 8:30. I'm super 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 late for my dinner. If you guys know, I eat by 5:36, but I rather eat a little late than eat anything that's unhealthy. So for my dinner, I have my chicken tikkas. Okay, I was really hungry, so मैंने 3 piece पहले ही खा लिए. So this is grilled, made at home, all the spices, everything marinated at home. So it's a super healthy option. And yeah, I think I'm going to end my vlog here. So you guys let me know, did you all like the vlog? Did you all like spending your day with me? Also, let me tell you, the 90-day weight loss challenge is not going anywhere. On Monday, I'll upload another what I eat in a week because I'm changing my diet with recipes. And then on Wednesday, I'll upload another video. So those videos are very much there because I'm still I think it's just been 3 weeks. I have a long, long road ahead of me, and I know we're in this together. So those vlogs are not going anywhere. Also, thank you for joining in. Thank you for commenting. I love, love, love reading your comments. Makes me so happy. So I will see you on Monday with a new video. And good night for now.